Rome doesn't wake up. It remembers.
"2,000 years ago, this was the center of the world." Every step echoes with history.
If you look up at the second-level arches, you can still see the numbers carved into the stone, directing the ancient Roman spectators.
Below the sand, a hidden world.
Questo è l'anfiteatro Flavio, meglio conosciuto come Colosseo. Lì stavano i gladiatori.
È aperto al pubblico?
Power was carved in stone.
This arch, dedicated in 315 AD, celebrates the victory of Constantine I. Noted
This was Rome's main street.
Once senators debated here.
Wow. Bega.
Rome was built to last.
Where emperors once lived. Empires rise and fade.
Did you get the whole pyramid in the shot?
Yes, it looks perfect. We look so small next to it.
But their stories remain.
Decisions here shaped history.
Rome still speaks. Millions walked this road before us.
Ammirate queste magnifiche colonne corinzie. Erano dedicate a Castore e Polluce, i dioscuri.
Faith once held these stones upright.
Rome was never built in a day.
Silence once meant devotion.
Home fires of an empire.
It is so hot out here. Where is the shade?
I think the exit is just through that archway.
Let's get some water.
Power watched from above.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is just superb.
Welcome to the Roman Forum. As you can see, this was the center of daily life and government in ancient Rome.
Everyone finds Rome their own way.
Time moves differently here.
This part right here shows the goddess Athena.
How did they manage to carve this without machines?
It's incredible handiwork, isn't it?
Rome never rushes.
Get your souvenirs here. Miniature statues of the Colosseum, only €10. Postcards, leather bags. Come look, best prices in Rome.
The past lives inside the present.
And then I told him, absolutely not. We are doing it my way.
Life continues around history.
And Rome waits
as the day slows down. the stones begin to glow. This is Rome's quiet hour.
When past and present overlap.
Look at the detail on this carving here.
Yeah, it's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm so glad we decided to come this afternoon.
Above it all, Rome exhales.
The citadel prepares for night.
History doesn't sleep.
Wow, it's incredible lit up like this. Let's take a selfie with the whole thing behind us. Make sure you get the top arches in the shot.
The arena still stands.
Look right there, son. That's the entrance they used.
Wow, it's so much bigger than in the books.
Life fills the ruins again.
Every generation comes here.
It has seen it all. And it will remain.
Night changes the way Rome speaks.
Without crowds, the past feels closer.
Empires sleep, cities don't.
The past hides in plain sight.
Tomorrow, Rome will wake again.
But the stones will stay.
And it always will.
Thanks for walking through history.